In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize your pictures and videos using albums in Apple Photos. Whether you're on an iPhone, iPad, or a Mac, these tips will help you keep your media neatly arranged and easy to access. Keeping a well-organized photo library not only saves you time, but also ensures that you can relive your memorable moments without any hassle. So let's dive right into it. To get started, the first thing you'll need to do is open the Photos app on your device. This is the main hub for all your pictures and videos, so make sure you have it readily accessible on your home screen or dock if you're using a Mac. Once you have the Photos app launched, we're ready for the next step, creating a new album. From the main Photos interface, look for the Albums tab, which should be at the bottom of the screen on an iPhone or iPad, or on the sidebar if you're on a Mac. Tap or click on Albums, then navigate to the Create button. Here you'll find an option labelled New Album. Click on that and you'll be prompted to give your album a name. Choose something descriptive so that you can easily remember the theme or occasion it represents. Now that we have our new album created, it's time to start filling it with some memories. Browse through your photo library and select the pictures and videos you'd like to add. On an iPhone or iPad, you can do this by tapping Select in the top right corner and then tapping on each photo or video you want to include. Once you've made your selection, tap Add to Album and choose the album you just created from the list. On a Mac, you can select multiple files by clicking on them while holding the Command key, then right-click and choose Add To. This method makes sure all your precious moments are neatly stored in one place. After you've added your media, you might want to review or edit your album contents. You can open the album anytime by navigating back to the Albums tab and selecting it from your list. Inside, you'll find all your grouped media, ready for viewing or further editing. If you ever need to rename or delete an album, it's straightforward. On an iPhone or iPad, simply tap the Edit button at the top of the Albums pane. From here, you can rename the album by tapping on its current name, or delete it entirely by tapping on the minus sign next to it. On a Mac, right-click on the album to access similar options. By using albums, you can keep your photo collection organized, making it easy to reminisce about special moments, or quickly locate a particular photo or video when you need it. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.